Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss about more important topic, site health issue. Many time we have light speed cache, and but this issue is come like you should use persistent object cache, and many time we use only like plugin like WP Rocket, etc. So at that time we do not use light speed cache plugins, so at that time we use Redis object cache. So in today video we will learn how to use how to fix this issue. You should use persistent object cache. So first I am going with environment like WP. We are using WP Rocket, etc., and directly solving with Redis Object Cache plugin. So at here you can see a persistent object cache make your site database more efficient, resulting in faster load time because WordPress can retrieve your site content and setting much more quickly. Your hosting provider can tell you a persistent object cache can be enabled on your site. Your host appear to support the following object cache service: Redis Memcache. So we have Redis or Memcache in our server. So first check our server have Memcache or not. So for that I just run php minus m grep redis. So at here I can see Redis at here. So now just go to add-on and now search Redis object cache. Now click on install now and then click on activate. And if we go to installation tab at here, then click on installation instruction, and on the GitHub you can see some configuration coding, etc. at here. So just copy this code from here and go to root file and go to wp config, and at here I already add this, but you again add. So at here you can add all thing Reddit host and Reddit port and Redis prefix, like at here mm, I am at Koruf site. So Koruf site and all thing done. And now if your if your server team provide password, etc., then you can also define WP Redis password and put at here. Now go to uh, plugin section and click on setting, and at here you can see uh, it is writable and reachable, and Koruf mom site is available, and then enable object cache. Now it is all done. It is enabled, and it will show all metrics etc at here, and diagnostic at here, like connected client, php redis, and all thing at here. And so when you check, like at here, this is issue is coming. So I am checking again. Now this object cache issue is fixed, and this is done, like redis object cache issue by add-on is done. If suppose we discuss about light speed cache add-on. So first I am disabling this add-on. For check purpose, and like this one. Now if you check again site, in the site health, then you can get again, you should use persistent object cache because we disabled this add-on. And so go to light speed cache system and click on setting, and then click on object, and at here you can see object cache. So click on, and you can choose method memcache or redis. So like memcache extension disabled, currently disabled, and redis extension enabled. Correction test failed, and so click on and click on redis, and just click on save. And at here, there is no requirement to add inside wp config etc. So just go like check again. Now object cache issue is fixed. So in this video I explain you how can fix object cache issue, persistent object cache issue via redis plugin and via light speed plugin. So in next videos I will explain other site health issue. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and please like to my video. Thanks for watching.